Hello, I am Susan.
And I'm Elizabeth, and welcome to the 4-week ballet experience for beginners, for absolute beginners, returners, and over 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond.
This is a step-by-step, day-by-day ballet program which introduces you to ballet, providing structure with daily barre, stretch, strength, and dance work, ensuring you holistically develop your ballet over a 4-week period. Each day, we provide around 30 minutes of exercises, and each week we work on a specific set of barre exercises, as well as a wonderful short dance sequence and a curtsy.
The program is adaptable, and you can work at your own pace.
We guide you through all the steps, all the terminology, all to enable you to enjoy dancing. It's going to be so much fun. We can't wait to start, so let's begin.
Come and dance.